It's season, la 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 la. She's got food in the sixth season, la 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 la. She's got jokes and fun and giggles, la 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 la. Healthy meals that she can savor, la 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 la. Y'all, so it's 7:30 something in the morning. I ran, I got out of bed because I forgot to leave my mom her blood thinner. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. We'll talk about that later. I forgot to leave my mom her blood thinner, so I ran home, and lo and behold, she set her own alarm. I'm so proud of her. I'm slightly upset, but I'm so proud of her because I had to get up. But since I'm already here, y'all, let's go ahead and leave. We won't be able to see it, but I'll go ahead and leave Straylisha a Meow Mix. Because I don't plan on coming back until like 11 or 12. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna run back there and leave this for her. So now she will have some morning food. Just, I don't know if we'll be able to see it. Oh, ooh, this look fancy. I mean, like if I ate tuna fish, that would look delicious. I don't want to smell it though. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, let me not throw this away in my car. I got a car trash can. Okay. I'll take y'all with me just in case she comes out, but I doubt it. Hey y'all, hey. Am I the only one who likes to eat in the car sometimes? To just eat in the car. Anyway, this soup is so good, y'all. I had to stop by YOL and get some nutrients. Okay, this is like a lentil vegetable soup. And I added cayenne to it for some spice and some metabolism booster. I got a kale wrap and I got a smoothie. I said, baby, give me the nutrients. Because what I didn't tell y'all is this morning we woke up. It was 2 other people who slept over. We had a morning shot. I know, y'all, that's not me. I don't live that life. Y'all see what I do every morning. Oh my gosh, that's why my body's like, girl, what are you doing? We had a morning shot. They did some recreational things outside, okay? And I didn't participate, but I was around it. So yeah, I needed some nutrients. But I'm about to go in the house. And at this point, it's time to go take a shower. I can shower back at the Airbnb, but whatever. It's time to shower and get dressed to go live. So I gotta go get my stuff. We're gonna try again to make that, to make the butter today. And I might make a grilled cheese. I think I didn't even check the fridge to see what I have left in there. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know. I brought a couple things home, but now I don't even feel like unloading the car. I might just sit in the car, okay? My neighbors are here at home. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my soup. I'm super full now. I'm not even gonna eat my kale wrap right now, which is fine. It'll be later. And then I'm gonna go in the house. And I'll come back looking like something. And I will see y'all in a couple hours. Well, obviously this is in the future, but you know what I mean. All right. Okay, y'all, sorry I have not been checking in. I got off live with you guys about, it's 9 o'clock now, 7:06, about 6 o'clock? I don't know. But we went live. The live was hilarious. It was very long. I left my kale wrap in the car. I'm about to eat half of this now. I know it's late, but I literally did not eat my nutrients. All I had today was that soup, the coffee, and now I'm gonna eat my kale wrap. What's for lunch tomorrow? I have no idea. That is tomorrow's errands problem. I'm so sorry to her. So sorry to that lady. I'm heading home now because my cousin wants to stay, which I don't mind that. Y'all know I love Mars down. However, I did not plan on staying at Airbnb another night. Like, nothing. So I gotta go get some night clothes, go get tomorrow's, clothes for work or whatever. And I gotta give my mom her night pill and have her morning pill prepared since I won't be there. Oh, and then Straylisha's food. I'll figure that out. I will see. Have to figure that out. But all right, y'all. I will check in later, or this might be good night. But I think I have time to still talk to y'all later on tonight. But just in case, good night. All right, y'all. I made it. We left in time for me to come give Straylisha her food. Okay. Oh, and yeah, all right, y'all, I'm going to work. She'll find it eventually. Good morning, happy Monday, day 23. Happy day 22 of Vlogmas. We have checked out of the VRBO. As I was pulling away, I noticed we did leave the porch light on, but hopefully that doesn't affect my score. This is my first VRBO house, so I made sure everything was spick and span, double checked everything, did all the checkout instructions and whatnot. I am now headed to QT because I have no energy drink and I am residual tired. I'm not tired as I was on Sunday, but I'm a different type of tired. Can't really put my finger on it. Then I am headed to work. I did find some leftover baked potatoes because y'all, I have no food. So I found some leftover baked potatoes in the fridge. We made butter last night, so brought that. I don't know why I brought my lemon hummus, but thank God I did because now I have lemon hummus and I have some bell pepper I can eat with that. So that's great. And I have that bread from last night as well. Plus cheese, I think. Y'all will see. So I just have a bunch of stuff that was in the VRBO fridge. So okay, I'm just rambling, y'all. I'm sorry. I will see y'all at work. I made my own butter, Hara. I made my own butter. I did it by myself. Wait a minute now. Oh, I'm the chef. Oh, well, Cielo is the chef.
I'm not the chef.
You're not the chef?
I'm a boy.
No. When I say I did not cook, I did not cook. So here I am eating some of the cornbread crisps from Trader Joe's with some lemon hummus. Was it delicious? No. Did it work for lunch? I mean, for the most part. Hey, y'all. Hey, just checking in. I am headed to my Thursday family, but since Thursday is Christmas, we are making it today. I completely forgot. I'm so glad she texted me. I didn't put it in my phone for some reason. I think I agreed. I think she asked me like the day before the party, and I just said, yeah, Monday works. And I kept it moving, did not write it down. We had a great day, but a rough day. Okay. This is just a nanny. Nannies can't have nails, not long nails. I'm not saying, if you're a nanny, you're like, girl, I keep my nails on. Let me speak for myself. Me as a nanny, I cannot have nails, okay? I go to saving children's lives because children fight every day to off themselves. I don't know why. Why are you jumping off that? Why would you have a temperature? Why are you trying to jump out my arms? Why you bang your head like that? Why would you? This is what happened. This is what happened to my nails, okay? Basically, a little boy was outside. He wanted to have a temper tantrum and tried to go back like this. I had to snatch it. Ow. Okay, it hurt. It looks painful and it hurt. Nothing bled or anything like that, thank goodness. But I felt the nails breaking. Just know that. But all right, y'all. I was trying to have the vlog up tonight. Did not know I had to work. And I'm hungry. Y'all saw what I ate. I have not eaten. I do have a baked potato still. I pray it's good. My butter is literally melting. I mean, this butter cannot stay out the fridge. I mean, it's not in a closed container, though. Like, literally it has milk at the bottom of it. So I need to hurry up and get it. I don't even know why I brought this whole thing. I was rushing, that's why. This came straight out the fridge from the Airbnb or the VRBO. So, it's melting. I need to hurry up and get it back in the fridge. But okay, y'all. Hopefully, I'm hungry. So, hopefully, I have time. I put my baked potato in the microwave with some cheese, some butter, salt and pepper, and I'll be good to go. But right now, I am, I hear you, baby. I hear you. Mm-hmm. You can't tell me God don't love me, because what did the family make tonight? Vegetarian chili. I finally ate some good food. Hi, guys. Checking in. Editing the vlog you're watching right now while I am on the treadmill. Ooh, super cool. Get a good workout in and do some work. The kids are, you can hear them. You hear them. Good morning.
Good morning, human food giver. What you got for me today? Oh, I think I smell Friskies. Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh, and I'm going to get back to you on the meow mix. I'm not sure about it quite yet.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I barely did a workout. I mean, barely. Okay, y'all, headed to work. Yes, I put on a little light beat because I needed to feel like I feel off today. So I was like, I can't look off and feel off. So I put a little light beat to make myself feel better. Breakfast is the cornbread crisp and some hummus. Does that go together? No. Why do I put it together? Y'all, I still not had any food. Whatever I've eaten is what's left over from the weekend. Okay, so we're making a little combination. I'm hungry. It ain't a terrible combo, but it don't go together. It does not go together. Oh, struggle meal for real. Once again, the Lord was looking out for me, y'all, because my client wanted a grilled cheese and I made myself one as well. And then I paired it with some baba ganoush. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And y'all, I was so satisfied because I still have not went to the store. When your child can't read, you don't have to hide the gift. I love that. So he already has a ride-on car, but it died. So I love it. New one already here, baby. And he don't know what it is. It's right here in front of him. Okay, so it doesn't go. I know y'all like, Aaron, we hear it working. It doesn't move. It won't go. It just turns on. It's kind of like the transmission died. Anyway, y'all, the day's been cool. I just feel blah. It's one of those blah days. I think because I've been drinking coffee lately. Rude. I'm just joking. I think because I've been drinking coffee lately. Like I don't know, caffeine crash. I don't know. You want the door open? All right, back to work. I'll talk to y'all later. Look at his nails. Oh, I'm ashamed. No, you cannot see. I'm telling you, there's nothing in there. I know, it's nothing in there. It's nothing in there. I'm so sorry. You want some milk? Do I need to call mommy? Yeah, because nothing in there. Sorry about that.
Your feet are on you.
Okay, y'all, off work, and I have nothing to eat at home, as you guys know, and I'm tired of eating crap. So let's go get something to eat from this. I guess it's new. Green Love Kitchen used to be right here, but now it's Natu. I don't know. We finna try a new place. I don't know. Okay, y'all, I was gonna do an Instagram review, but I can tell how it's plated that I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to mispromote this new business. I don't want to misrepresent the new business because the young lady was preparing my food. I was like, I don't think she knows plating. I don't think she knows plating. Also a little expensive. That is the problem, y'all. Why vegan restaurants closing? Y'all are tearing our pockets to shreds. We are going to go to Subway. At the end of the day, Subway has vegan options. Y'all gotta figure it out. Y'all gotta figure it out. It's not worth it. All right, let's see. From what I saw, oh. Sorry, y'all. She backed up real close to my car. Woo. All right. Okay, it's not that bad. But I was like, the ribs are off center. I was just like, eh. But it still don't look too appetizing. I'll take a picture of it just in case, because it might be bomb. Okay, just as I thought, I couldn't get a pretty picture. All right, the ribs are, oh, okay, tenderism. You ain't even, oh, that did not look good. I'm sorry. It didn't look good. We ain't tried it yet. She said it's seitan and jackfruit. They're so soft. Okay, it's okay. I was gonna get the oxtails, but some girl had already reviewed them and said she wasn't a fan. So I was like, well, let me not spend oxtail money right now. So this plate was $20. You see what I'm saying? Now, $20 is a standard plate price, but this plate is it's not full. It's not full. You know what I mean? We haven't tried it yet. Here we go. Smile at it. No. Mac and cheese. The noodles are very much so overdone. I'm talking about you can get this to a 6-month-old with no problem. They will not choke. The flavor is, I guess, Haitian mac and cheese. It's not cheddar at all. I don't mind it, but it's not American mac and cheese at all. All right, mixed greens. I like those. Again, Haitian flavored. It's apparently a Haitian restaurant. I would have not minded paying $12 for this. $20, and I need y'all to take these ribs off the menu. If this is what you were like, y'all can't see. I wish I had I need my meta glasses. Y'all got to see the ribs. Hold on. Hey, Meta. Start recording. Y'all see this? Make sure my hair is out the way, because baby, we saw the vlog, had my hair all in the way. Do y'all see this? Y'all can't sell this. Y'all cannot. You can't. I'm sorry. No. Like the... All right. Well, we have oh, so I spent 20 on this. And then where's my and then an $8 wellness shot. $8? I better feel, because I'm dragging, y'all. I'm dragging. So I was like, oh, let me get that. And I was like, $8. Oh, it's straight ginger. Oh, that's burnt. That is straight ginger. What's the green? I heard kale. I heard ginger. I don't know what else is in here. This is spicy in a mug. Okay, you know what? We're gonna make it do what it do, y'all. I knew I wasn't putting this on Instagram. I told y'all I'm gonna try to. Bye, y'all. Bye. Hello. Oh, y'all can't really see me at all, but hi, I'm here. But you know, gotta turn the light off. So I am headed out. Y'all, I am so sorry. I am totally behind on Vlogmas. Vlogmas is now. I fell behind. Missing one day is cool. I have missed what, 4? Y'all saw me last time on Friday, but I saw you guys live Saturday and Sunday, so it doesn't feel. And today's Tuesday, so it doesn't feel like I've missed so many days. But for the edited videos, I've missed so many days. And then come to find out, I'm only gonna put out Saturday. So today is what? Today's Tuesday. I'm gonna put out Saturday tomorrow morning, and then I guess I'll compile the. I don't know. I don't want to make any more promises. I don't know. Every video I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna combine it. No, Saturday was so long. It was like 20-25 minutes by itself, and I'm not even done yet. And where am I going now? I'm going out with my homegirl, and I was like, well, I can't say no to this because we still need stuff for Vlogmas. But now this has to come out. Really, they both need to come out the same day. Maybe I'll do Saturday, Christmas Eve morning, and the rest of it Christmas Eve night, because Vlogmas is over Christmas Day. Like, what? Like, come on. What do you mean? So, y'all, I don't know. I'm scrambling. I am scrambling to catch up because I have 2 days to put out 4 days, 5 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I have 2 days to put out 6 days. Y'all, listen. Anyway, all right. I will see y'all at this Christmas bar pop-up that I'm going to with my friend Danielle. So, all right. See y'all then. Oh my gosh, it's drenched out. I'm so happy for you. Thank God. Because, girl, I was like, you look cute. I said, ooh, that's I said 2024. That my friend. I didn't see that. You know how pissed I would have been if we went. Oh, and it would have been Santa Claus. Absolutely. So, as you may have guessed, she was specifically looking for a Grinch theme bar. So, thank you to TikTok. We found this Mexican place in Chamblee, Dunwoody, and it was a vibe. It was so cute. Apparently, it was a lot of people's birthday last night because the staff kept coming out in celebration. Some people didn't care. Some people did. Anyway, we started off with some appetizers, some guacamole, and some salsa. Y'all, I got a spicy margarita, which I'm used to it, but I got a spicy habanero margarita. The afterburn was pretty spicy. Now came to my meal, just a regular vegetable, avocado, bean, and rice dish. Yes, I made sure that the beans did not have any pork in them. The Grinch finally did come out. Apparently, again, must have been someone's birthday. And this is where I'm going to end this vlog, y'all. But definitely want to try this place out again on the weekends to see how packed it got. But yeah, we definitely enjoyed ourselves. It's always great catching up with my good girlfriend. I'll see y'all the next vlog. Merry Christmas Eve.